Five, six, seven, eight.
This dance is Alane, choreographed by Alane. It's a 32 count, 4 wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Side, behind, side, touch, side, hold and side, touch. Section 2, right rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Step forward together, step back, touch together. Section 3. Side, behind, side, touch, side, hold and side, touch. Last section, left rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, step forward, pivot a half turn right, make another quarter turn right, stepping left to the side, touch right together, and you start over. Now we go over the dance with the counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.